UGRO Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. First of all, UGRO is melting. It is not like it was not melting before, but it was like 15% up for Wednesday's performance. I'm looking at the higher time frame picture. Well, I've done well over 39,000 videos, 5 figures in courses and mentors over the last 4.5 years every single day, so you don't have to, and all of that is documented on my YouTube channel. Looking at this, I'm not trying to be nice, I'm trying to be kind. In this instance, like, it's just a bearish. I'm trying to be like realistic. I really am not looking at this thing and thinking, wow, this is about to freaking print. No, I'm more like, yeah, the likelihood of it just going down is just still quite high. And I would much rather, you know, follow other tickers rather than this. But again, it's to each their own. It's obviously not financial advice. I'm saying, yeah, maybe selling if there's like a correct confirmation, but other than that, it's all noise. Stay tuned. If there is no breaks above 85 cents, still a bearish market. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter.